Welcome to my channel Tech Savvy. Today we are going to learn about Grafana Tool. Grafana is an open source visualization and analytics software. We use Grafana Dashboard to bring data together in an efficient and organized way. No matter where your data is stored, it can be queried and visualized and explored from any data source to Grafana Dashboard. So these are the few steps which we are going to perform to configure Grafana Dashboard. Grafana is very easy to configure and very easy to use tool. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes and you will be able to configure Grafana, and it is readily available for you to create your dashboard as per your own choice from your own data source. So this is our EC2 dashboard where we have created 4 machines as per our last videos. We can use these 4 servers or Prometheus server for creating a dashboard in Grafana. So let's start configuring Grafana dashboard. For configuring Grafana dashboard, we need one EC2 machine. So launch instance, Amazon Linux to AMI, select T2 micro, free tier eligible. Next is configure instance. I am keeping all these fields default. Next, root 8 GB default. Add tag. I am giving name to this server as Grafana. Next is security group. I'm using same security group, monitoring SG. Launch, monitoring a key, I acknowledge, launch instance. It is launching. So meanwhile, let's log in into Prometheus server. Okay. So here we have logged in our Prometheus server. Let's recheck whether Prometheus server is running or not. System CTL status. Prometheus, enter. Okay, so as you can see, our Prometheus server is up and running. We can check in the browser also. 9090, enter. So as you can see, everything is running properly. Okay, only node is down, no problem, we will keep it down only. Let's move for Grafana, which is main focus of this lab. So let's click on Grafana, copy IP address, session, SSH, EC2, user, private key. I will name it as a Grafana. Okay. Okay, so we are able to log in into Grafana server also. So let's see what steps are telling. So as per first step, we need to update the server. Let's run sudo yum update, hit enter. No package update is required. Just we need to create a Grafana repo to bring out the Grafana code and RPM file, or we can say Grafana package. So we will create etc yum repos.d Grafana repo. hit enter. Just copy this piece of code and paste it here. Okay, escape colon wq, enter. So this Grafana repo is created. We just need to directly install it. Hit yeah. So as you can see, it is installing Grafana. Okay, so it is downloaded successfully. Now next step is we need to restart daemon, or we can say reload daemon. Start Grafana server. It will take a little while. Okay, done. Let's check the Grafana server status. Okay, as you can see, it is active and running. So let's just copy the IP address and paste it here, and Grafana default port is 3000. So definitely in our security group we have opened all the ports, so no need to open it explicitly. But if you are opening ports one by one, you need to add 3000 into your rule, then only you will be able to see this Grafana dashboard into your URL. See, it is loading. Okay, so it is asking username and password. So initial username password is admin, and admin is the password for the Grafana. Just log in. When first time we log in, it will ask us to change the password. So we need to change the password and make sure you remember the password. Submit. Okay, so this is our Grafana dashboard. As you can see, this is the home page. Okay, now let's start exploring this Grafana dashboard. So this is in left side panel. Just expand it. You will see each and everything reflecting here, like how to create a dashboard. So how can you create the dashboard, new folder, or you can configure alert also. So don't worry, in the next video I will show you how to configure alert also for this Grafana tool. Configure is like from where you can bring your data, admin part, preferences, change password, notification history, and so on. So we will first go to data source. Under configuration tab, I will show you once again. Go to configuration. Inside that you will find data source. You can find data source on home page also. You can directly click it from here. See, whenever we will click on add data source, it will show us a various option which is available into Grafana to take it as a data source. We can take Prometheus, Graphite, InfluxDB, OpenTSDB, Loki, Elasticsearch. You will see MySQL, PostgreSQL, Grafana Cloud, Azure DevOps, Datadog, GitLab, Jira, MongoDB, Oracle, there are lots of options available for us to create a dashboard. So as of now, we will go with the Prometheus because we have Prometheus servers ready with us. So click on left panel, go to data source under configuration, and you will find this screen where you can configure your data source. Add data source, click on Prometheus, and you will see where you can configure Prometheus as a data source. Just change the name as per your choice and give the Prometheus server URL. Rest thing I am keeping default. Save and test. So data source is updated successfully and it is working fine. Go back, go to dashboard, Here in this page we will create dashboard, new dashboard, add panel. See, in panel data source name are reflecting, so our name is the Prometheus test data. So I will click on Prometheus test data and you will get all the related metrics with this data source. For that you need to click on this select metrics and see, you can see all the metrics related with Prometheus, node exporter, alert manager, everything will be reflecting here. So let's select any one out of this. I'm selecting HTTP request total and run query. So as you can see, the graph is reflecting here. Just click apply and see, you can see all the HTTP request graph is reflecting in this panel. Click on browser or save dashboard. First you need to save the dashboard. Just give the name as test dashboard and save. So your dashboard is saved successfully. You can add more panel here. Click on add panel. See, new panel is added. Just click on add panel. Select data source and select metrics as per your choice. Let me type byte, or I would say memory byte. And select run query. As you can see, graph is reflecting. Apply. So under one dashboard we have configured two panel. You can configure as many as panel as per your choice. Here is the dashboard setting. You can do the settings from here: annotation, variable, links, version. Save dashboard. You need to give some notes here to describe your changes. You need to type some changes here. So this is about Grafana dashboard. As you can see, test dashboard, it will reflect in your desktop. So that's it about the dashboard. You can explore as much as you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.